pa, I made this video just to greet you happy 3rd monthsary. And gusto ko mag-thank you sa'yo for being so understanding and loving. Kahit na topakin ako, you're always there for me. Never kang nagsawa. And alam mo naman na ganun din ako sa'yo. We have our differences, pero tanggap natin yan dahil mahal natin yung isa't isa. And yun, lalo pa natin nakikilala yung isa't isa habang tumatagal. And I can't wait na dumating yung time na magkasama na tayo. And, you know, we will soon. Kailangan lang natin pagdaanan talaga yung mga ganitong bagay. But, you know, hindi naman yun problema sa ating dalawa. And sana lalo pa tayong maging strong. Alam mo namang nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Sana malampasan natin all the trials na darating sa atin in the future. And I know we will as long as we have each other. I love you so much. And never ako magsasawa sa sitwasyon natin. I promise you that. And you already know. So, I love you so much, my endless love. And again, happy monthsary. Mwah!